Hello, so today me and my partner Shake will be talking about our game called the Imitation game. And to start off with, we'll be first talking about our code and our prompt and how we configured it. To start off with, we have two API keys. We have the Discord token that's used for the Discord server and the open API key for our agent. And to start off with, we first have this to load the keys in our program. Then we set up a Discord bot followed by an OpenAI client. If it's available, then it goes through. We usually had a fallback uh, route, but we took it out because we don't really need it. We just purchased the API tokens. And now my partner Shake will talk about the game state.
All right, at the game state, you can check the join users, which is the amount of Discord users in the game. This is usually one or two, and then the bot and anonymous players each maps a number to both of the players and the bot itself. And then you have the questions that are asked throughout the game. These are the five questions. If you had to eat one food forever, what would it be? What's your dream vacation? If you won the lottery, what's the first thing you'd buy? And then if you could have any superpower, what would it be? And the last question, what is your favorite movie? Okay, so these are the prompts that get asked to the Open API, OpenAI API, which the bot user is replies off based off in the game.
And the prompt is that you are a teenage human in a party game. Give a very short, casual answer, mostly 1 to 2 words. We put this prompt to minimize having the API pull out long answers that obviously will be flagged as the agent's answer. And then we have various commands for the game. For obviously to join the game, we use -join. And we have other commands like game has already started, you already joined the game. These are to help when players are joining in the middle of the game or have not have enough players. After we click -join, you have to click -start game, and that will start running the game. If you have no players, you must use I join first. The game works with one player. The game also works with two players. However, if at zero, it would not work. And if you have more than two, then it also would not work. And then after we have enough players, such as two players, it will randomly assign a number from 1 to 3, and the bot will be one of the numbers. For example, player 1 could be a human being, and player 2 is a bot, and player 3 is a human being. Then we commence play by using -play. Then the 5 questions are asked periodically. First question is asked, then the players and the bots are given 15 seconds to answer the question. After the 15 seconds is over, then the bot produces another question, then you have 15 seconds to answer again. If one of the users does not answer, then you just have a no answer from one of the players. And in the end, you have a chance to vote using the -vote player, and you vote after all the players have voted. You have the option to reveal player with this command -reveal, and the bot then reveals the player. And if you're correct, it will say correct answer. If you're not correct, if none of the real players are correct, it will say nobody answered the program correctly. And this whole program is run with this last command here, bot run Discord token. Now to show a better visual of how a program works, I'm going to show you the UML diagram that we created. And here we have our UML diagram. To start off with, player joins, then we have start game, the roles are set, which is the 1, 2, 3 anonymously. You ask a question, then the answer, collect the answers, shuffle and display the answers anonymously, and then this dot indicates if you ask the next question or if you don't. If you have not asked all 5 questions and the answer is no, you go back here, ask question, collect answer, and you keep doing that until you have 5 questions. When you're done answering 5 questions, you'll be going to this where you can vote for the guess. Then the final is the reveal, where it shows all the whoever got the correct answer, whoever did not get the correct answer. And for our demo purposes, we'll be running the game now on Discord server. So start off with both of the players, me and Shake, will hit hyphen join hyphen join. Oh, sorry, we forgot to run the code. 1 second. We first have to run the code. Run token logging in. The game has connected to Discord. Perfect. Now we go to Discord. We do the same thing. Join. Perfect. The game has told us we have joined. Now you click start. Start game. And the game has started. Now we click play. Alright. Now the first question. One food you would eat forever. We try our best to not look at each other's answers. And we answer off just not looking. Then we wait for the beep to come for the next question. What is your dream vacation? China. As we do the question, we simultaneously try not to look at everybody else's answers. So it's a fair game. If you win the lottery, what would be the first thing you buy? We also try to change up our answers sometimes to make it difficult for us to guess who's who. And fourth question, if you had any superpower, what would it be? So if you can't see, I'm physically hiding the answers with my hand so I don't see my partner's answer. So this helps us keep it anonymous as we go through. Now you ready for the 15? The fifth question. It might take a bit for the program to go through. Alright, perfect. The fifth question is loaded. What is your favorite movie of all time? We type our answer and we don't look at the other person's answer. Now we vote. I vote. And you pick a number one, two, three. So let's see. I pick three. Alright. Shake has already picked three too. Now we do a hyphen reveal. Yep. Players 2 and 1 has guessed correctly. The bot is player 3. And that is our little demo. Thank you for watching.